Hello. Have you heard your commercial team say, "Why does it feel like I'm working for my CRM system instead of having a CRM that works for me?" Do they struggle to see the right information at the moment they need it, whether they have a connection or not? Is your CRM so complex you can't figure out how to do the simplest task? The solution? Mobile intelligence. A state-of-the-art iPad design built on the industry's leading mobile intelligence CRM that brings usability, flexibility, and efficiency back to your CRM. Taking your business solution to hospital corridors, your car, your meetings, your favorite cafe. Enabling your customer-facing teams with a usable solution so that they have what they need in one touch for effective interactions. To comply with government regulations, to carry out your strategy, and to optimize their time in the field. Giving evenings back to your reps. With MITouch, you have the best out-of-the-box life sciences user experience available. But to bring true value, you need flexibility to manage content. Think about it. In a changing environment, new brands, new studies, new regulations force you to continuously reshape your strategy. You need a solution that enables your shifting tactics, quick to react, easy to use, and efficient, giving you a competitive advantage. Cegedim mobile intelligence platform empowers you to manage your territories, building the business logic you need. Process exceptions as easily as dragging and dropping a selected list. Create and distribute new content like surveys. Modify your app screens to match your business needs. At Cegedim, we offer much more than a CRM and a platform. We are a global team of life sciences solution experts that are accountable for all stages of your CRM project to help your customer-facing teams with quality customer data, training services, local support, and to help your management with projects, deployments, and maintenance. We are the partner that helps you not only to have a successful CRM project, but to maintain a solution that is usable, flexible, and efficient, enabling you to work better for more effective customer interactions. Choose the CRM that is user-tested and approved. To learn more, visit us at cegedim.com/mitouch.